Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay Muthukude. I'm going to discuss about memory math. Memory math is a very good technique to boost your memory and recall memory and arrange your memory into one page. The whole lesson you can arrange into one page using memory math, so you can easily organize your memory and recall memory. Let's look at acid and base. What is an acid? First of all, what is an acid? Substance, dissociate to form ions, form H plus ions, hydrogen ions. H plus ions we call an acid. Acids can identify two types of acid. One is weak acid. Weak acids, what's a weak acid? The partially dissociate. Acids partially dissociate in water. Partially dissociate are weak acid, something like ethanoic acid, dissociate to form an equilibrium mixture when dissociate, right? If you have 0.1 mole of weak acid, when it is dissociated, you are not getting 0.1 mole of H plus. Might be, depends on the acid. Let's think about like 0.00001, just like that. Very small extent only dissociate. Strong acid completely dissociate. Acids completely dissociate. We call strong acids. You consider about HCl. When you put into water, HCl break down into H plus and Cl minus. So if you have 0.1 mole of HCl, then you don't have actually 0.1 mole of HCl when you put into water or something. What happened? It break down into 0.1 mole of H plus and 0.1 mole of Cl. These are strong acids. Similarly, what are bases? Bases, acids produce H plus, bases gains H plus. Substances gain H plus. Gain H plus, or we call proton. H plus or proton are bases. So bases also there are two types. One thing is weak base. Weak base means partially dissociate into ions. Bases partially dissociate. Something like ammonium hydroxide, partially dissociate, form equilibrium mixture and form ammonium ion, OH minus. Strong bases which are completely dissociate. Example, NaOH dissociate to form Na plus and OH. We call these are weak, strong bases, completely dissociate. This is regarding acids and bases. And there's another term you need to know, that is alkali. What are alkalis? Acids and bases and alkalis. Right? Alkalis are bases But what's the difference? Water soluble bases we call alkalis. Water soluble bases we call alkalis. Right. This is regarding acids and bases. Right. Right. Now, the next thing is indicator. Can you remember what is an indicator? What's the use of indicator? Indicator we use to identify acid or base, right? You can't just identify substance whether it is acidic or basic. You can use an indicator. What's an indicator? A substance that exhibit one color in acidic medium and another color in basic medium. Or you can simply express that a substance that exhibit different colors at different pH level, right? Different colors at different pH level. Substances exhibit different colors as pH changes. The very common one is acid-base indicator. Acid-base indicator commonly we use to identify acid, whether it's acid or base. So they have one color in the acidic medium and another color in the basic medium. Acid-base indicator commonly you need to know about litmus, methyl orange, thymophthalate. Litmus in acidic medium, red color, in basic medium, blue color. Methyl orange in acidic medium, red color, in basic medium, orange color. Thymophthalate in acidic medium, colorless, in the basic medium, blue color. Acid-base indicators you can use to identify whether a substance is acidic or basic. But you can't identify what kind of pH level you have. Like usually pH scale is going from 1 to 14. Then whether it's strong acid or weak acid, you can understand using acid-base. So that we use universal indicator. Universal indicator has range of colors. We call this is rainbow colors. You can identify as Roy, G, blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. At pH 0 to 2 is red color, 2 to 4 is yellow color, 4 to 6 is green, yellow color, 7 neutral, green color, 8 to 10 blue color, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Right, this like this. Actually, how to use the universal indicator? In the universal indicator bottle, this color might be a bit different, depends on the type of universal indicator. Commonly we use this one. The color chart is printed on the universal indicator bottle. what do you have to do? Add few drops of indicator to the sample and check the color with color chart to identify the pH value. Right, in the with the color pH is mentioned, so you can guide the color chart and find the pH value. If you want to measure pH accurately, then you have to use pH meter, right? To measure pH accurately, you have to have a pH meter. This is regarding indicators. Then we can consider about pH scale. In order to express the acidic basic nature, we use the pH scale, right? The pH scale is going from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. Then 0 to 7, this range is acidic. 7 to 14, this range is basic. And the pH 7 is, this is neutral. This is neutral. Then 0 to 3, weak acid. 3 to 14, strong acid. Sorry. Uh, 0 to 3, strong acid. 3 to 14, weak acid. Then pH 8 to, yeah, 6. pH 8 to 10, 11, consider as, we can consider above pH 7 to 11 around, weak base. 11 to 14 around, strong base. Right, these are the acid base and the pH scale. Using the pH scale, you can identify acidic basic nature. And keep it, remember, acidity. And look at here, pH 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are strong acid. When it's going down, it becomes more acidic. The acidity increases as pH decreases. And the basic nature, higher the pH, basic nature increases, right? Increases as pH increases, right? These are the very important things regarding acid and base, right? Then regarding the Cambridge O level, then this part is completely, this one page contains all the things that you want to know about acid and base. Right? Follow this, and I will upload this memory map to the link. Then you can obtain that one and can complete this. You can keep this thing with you. Whenever you have a problem, then you can go through and find out any problem. You can easily study with this, right?